Tired of productivity apps that just don't quite click? Today we're diving headfirst into Amplenote and Anytype, pitting them against each other to find your ultimate organizational weapon. First up, Amplenote. Its note-taking is slick and focused. See how easy it is to create a new note. The rich text formatting is intuitive, letting you emphasize key points. Plus, embedding images keeps everything visually engaging. Now, let's check out Anytype's unique object-based system. Instead of just notes, you create objects, think notes, tasks, even projects. The real power comes from linking these objects together, building a personalized knowledge graph. When it comes to task management, both apps offer solid options. Amplenote allows you to create tasks with due dates and prioritize them. Anytype, on the other hand, lets you define properties like status and assignee for each task, offering more granular control. Amplenote's Jots feature makes quick note-taking on the go a breeze. Now, switching to Anytype, one of Anytype's biggest selling point is its focus on privacy and offline functionality. Your data is stored locally, giving you complete control. So, which one reigns supreme? If you need a fast, intuitive note-taking and task management system, Amplenote is a great choice. But if you crave a highly customizable, privacy-focused, object-based workflow, Anytype might be your perfect match.